Track and field now, 6 records were broken, 3 in the senior section and 1 equaled at the 49th staging of the Gibson Mccook relays at the National Stadium on Saturday, with Olympic and World Championship silver medalist Kishane Thompson storming to a career best in the men's 60 meters. Denise Walters tells us more.
The quartet of Sharika Jackson, Jodine Williams, Tina Clayton and Janelle Smith clocked a record 42.92 seconds to win the institution's women's 4x100 meters, running below the previous record 43.05 to beat out GC Foster College and UTech.
Janelle Smith on anchor, and my, was there any question if they would have taken this by a mile? And they're doing so, running away with it. We saw Janelle Smith anchoring for Jamaica at the World Championships last year, and she does so with ease, 42.90.
Kenyan Ryan Achaw of St. Jago High ran a personal best 3 minutes 49.73 to win the men's 1500 meters, breaking the previous record 3 minutes 52.06. World Indoor Championships bronze medalist Raymond Richards broke the men's high jump record with a season's best jump of 2.26 meters.
I'm a bit disappointed. The main aim today was to qualify for the World Indoor Games. However, I got a season best, so I'm a bit grateful, but yes, I'm still disappointed.
DeAndre Watkins won the men's 400 meters open in 45.50 seconds, equaling the meet record, with Delano Kennedy second in 45.52 and Denick Luke third in a personal best 45.75. Meanwhile, MVP's Kishane Thompson produced his lifetime best 6.64 seconds to win a closely contested men's 60-meter final, just getting there ahead of Brian Lavelle, who also ran a personal best 6.47, and Akeem Blake, who was disqualified for a false start but returned to compete, finishing third in his season's best 6.48. Sprintex Sandre Davison won the B race in a lifetime best 6.51 ahead of Gary Card and Boaji and Krume.
Well, I just wanted to get a fair enough start, because I know once I get into my running, I'm going to catch the field.
DeAndre Daly claimed the C race in a career best 6.65, with Adrian Carr and Shakir Williams finishing second and third respectively.
It was a pretty calculated race. Just listen to coach instructions. Firstly, just go out there, see where my body at, finish healthy, and we move to the next task.
In the women's equivalent, MVP is Janelle Smith bested teammate Tina Clayton for the second time this season. She recovered from a poor start to post 7.07 seconds, catching Clayton 7.08 on the line, and Lavanya Williams was third in a personal best 7.13.
Very good feel. We've been racing against each other year after year. To be honest, I really wanted to execute properly today. Unfortunately, the starter beat me very bad with that. But I'm happy for the win. I'm happy I kept my cool. I didn't panic too bad and just ran through the line.
Serena Cole captured the 60-meter B race in a personal best 7.14 ahead of Crystal Slowly and Tiana Lee Terrelong. Shanna K. Anderson of UTech won the women's 400 meters in a personal best to 51.40 seconds. She's the fastest Jamaican woman outdoors so far this year. In the meantime, Sprintech, anchored by Davison, won the men's 4x100 meters in 38.39 seconds. Swept was second, and a racers team led off by world champion Oblique Seville and included Zarnell Hughes finished third. And racers won the men's 4x400 meters relay in 3 minutes 04.23 seconds, with the 2023 world champion Antonia Watson on anchor. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.